friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a really great video because a little miracle showed up around 6 o'clock in the morning. That is the 7 back when you spend 30 booster. So I actually figured out a basket of 10 items completely for free, stacking these two boosters, which is the 7 back when you spend 30 digital and the 9 back when you spend 40 paper booster. So if you might have both of those along with a bunch of digital coupons, this is going to be like a $2-ish money maker for a whole bunch of free stuff, including paper towel and toilet paper. So this is the booster that showed up around 6 o'clock in the morning. It's 7 back when you spend 30, and it's valid from the 15th to the 19th. So it starts Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's probably going to get pulled on Saturday, but pay attention to the start date because the devil is in the details. Now, I was shopping quite a bit this week, and I did get a paper booster, which is the 9 back when you spend 40, the one on the top. Now, I think that all three of these will be able to stack if you do it in store. The 9 back, the 7 back, and the 10 back when you spend 40 on holiday merchandise. So we're going to look at a couple different deals using 2 boosters and then 3 boosters, and I'm going to show you how they stack up. But this is the little midweek miracle courtesy of Walgreens. Now, I'm going to say that if you are very new to this or reticent or you want to see how other people are doing their hauls, I would wait because about 2 weeks ago, the last time that we had boosters, it took 3 to 5 days for the Walgreens cash to get processed, and it just would say, you know, no Walgreens cash, and if you called customer service, it wasn't very great. But if you're kind of like you're not sure about what you're doing, I would wait or read in the comments how people are doing successfully, not successfully. Did they change something? Is this why we haven't had boosters in 2 weeks? I don't know, guys, but we'll find out tomorrow. And the easiest way to see if this is all working, throw $40 of Christmas merchandise into your basket. If you have your Christmas booster along with the 7 back when you spend 30, you can see right away if you get $17 back if you're throwing $40 of merchandise in. Is it working, yay or nay? You'll figure it out. Okay, so deal number 1. This one is just a hodgepodge of magic. The first thing we're going to grab is the Cottonelle for $4.99. We have a digital coupon for this guy, which is a $2 off. Check your Fetch rewards as well, because they have a bunch of Cottonelle rebates right now, so that might work. Along with, we're going to grab one of these bounties for $5.49. Some of you have a $3 digital. I have a $2 digital, so I'm going to make the best with that. Make sure you have this guy loaded. And I'm going to go shopping first thing on Wednesday morning to let you guys know, is this working? Is this not working with the stacking of the boosters? We also have this guy, the Pantene. We're going to grab 2 of them. They're $5 a pop. Register reward offer this week. We have a $2 digital, so make sure you have that guy loaded. And then we are going to grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos. They are 2 for $8. And then we have a digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. Along with, we're going to get a $3 register reward for buying 2 of them. Now you pick, you either grab the mouthwash or the brushes. The ones that are $3, and then it's a $3 register reward back when you buy 2. And we're going to load this guy, which is a $3 digital as well. Makes it free. And then we're going to grab 1 toothpaste by Colgate and 1 mouth rinse by Colgate for $4.50. Sorry, I have the wrong photo here. Load the following digital coupons. That's a $2.50 off of the mouth rinse, and then a $2.50 off of the paste. So $5 of digitals. Not too shabby. Okay, so looking at this, guys, we have the 1 Cottonelle for $4.99, the 1 Bounty for $5.49, 2 Pantenes for $10, 2 Garniers for $8, 2 Crest mouth rinses for $6, and then 2 Colgate products, a rinse and a paste for $9 at $4.50 a pop. So that's a total right there of $43.48. Get the cashier to scan your booster of 9 back when you spend 40, the paper one that comes out of the Catalina machine, and have your digital booster loaded of 7 back when you spend 30. Subtracting $17 in digital manufacturers that I just showed you in the slides previous, you're going to pay $26.48 with your debit card, get back $16 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, and then $13 in register rewards. Make sure the machine is on. So it makes this haul free plus a $2.52 moneymaker. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using 2 different boosters. next deal that we're going to do is Christmas themed. So this is the booster, the fine print in it. It's 10 back when you spend 40 on selected holiday. I'm not going for that full 60 because you guessed it, I want to stack it with the other two digital boosters, and I will be testing out this specific deal. So just to give you guys a visual, these are the three. My paper booster of 9 back when you spend 40, the digital of 7 back when you spend 30, and then the holiday booster on the right hand corner. This is what I'm grabbing for this basket. 4 of these Lindor Christmas or holiday themed truffles for $5.99, and then 4 of these holiday Squishmallows priced at $5.99. We're going with Hello Kitty because it's so stinking cute. See how it says earn up to 20 right above of Hello Kitty's head? This is the note that you're going to be looking for, or the message you're looking for all of the Christmas merch, to make sure you're grabbing the right stuff. Because there are no manufacturers for these fine products, guys, you can definitely use some manufacturer register rewards. And if you have been in and out of Walgreens shopping, you probably have a couple of them. So yeah, definitely use them to make your basket a lot less. The manufacturer register rewards, like the ones that I'm showing you. So here's the math for this one. 4 of the Christmas Lindt truffles is $17.97, and then 4 of the holiday themed Squishmallows is $23.96 for a total of $41.93. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster of 9 back when you spend 40. Have your digital e-booster of 7 back when you spend 30 loaded. And then the 10 back when you spend 40, or the 20 back when you spend 60, that one. For Christmas, have that loaded as well. So you're going to pay $41.93 out of pocket. If you have register rewards, throw those in, and then you're getting back $26. So it makes it $15.93 for the 8 items, or $1.99 for the Lindt and the Hello Kitty and the cuteness. Hi, this is a really terrific deal. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down your balance as you're juggling 2 boosters. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at, it's just to stack these 2 boosters in store, the 7 back when you spend 30 and the 9 back when you spend 40. We're going to be grabbing one of the bronze shavers for $28.99, I believe. This is the more expensive one. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is the 10 off. See on the right-hand corner, $28.99, the one with like lime green and the younger guy on the package. That's the one we're grabbing. We're also going to grab 2 of these Pantenes at $5 a pop for $10. It's on a weekly promotion of buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Load this guy, which is a $2 digital. And the final item we're going to get our basket right to $40 is 2 of these Pepperidge Farm mini cookies. Probably find them close to checkout or in that food section with all the candy and stuff. And then load this digital coupon, which is $1 off at 2. So looking at the math for this basket, 1 Braun for $28.99. 2 Pantenes for $10 and 2 Pepperidge Farm cookies for $2.38 for a total of $41.37. Get the cashier to scan your booster, which is 9 back when you spend 40, along with have your digital booster loaded, which is 7 back when you spend 30. $13 in digital coupons melting off for you. Pay $28.37 with your debit card. Get back $16 in Walgreens cash for your 2 boosters, an $8 register reward for Braun, and then a $4 for the Pantene, making it $12. So it makes this haul 37 cents, which is winning. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're juggling 2 boosters for this one. And we will definitively figure this out on Wednesday the 15th. The payouts, are they stacking and all that stuff. And we will talk a lot in the comments of this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.